Congratulations to the class of 2026. We're so excited for you. We're happy for your accomplishments. We look forward to seeing what you do going forward. Please know you're always welcome here. May God bless you, and we look forward to knowing and seeing all of your accomplishments in the coming years.
In the wildness and craziness of the world, be sure to find time to quietly pray and reflect on God's graces and the gratitude for all that He has given you. God bless.
First of all, congratulations. My advice to the new graduates would be to focus more on quality than quantity in your work. This will allow God to work through you and allow you to show love to others through your work. It also makes the work more prayerful. So yeah, focus more on quality than quantity. I think whoever you're working for will get used to the time, and then they'll learn to trust the work that you're putting out. So yeah, that's my advice.
Happy graduation, class of 2026. Something that comes to mind on a day like this is a quote, I believe, from St. John Paul II, who says, "Life with Christ is a marvelous adventure." I would say if you want a life of meaning and purpose, be a disciple of Jesus Christ, and that will give you the joy and meaning and purpose that you seek in life. So I guess that's what I would say. Good job, you made it.
To the class of 2026, congratulations, good luck, go out and knock them dead. I know you will, because you're who you are. Take care.